This is John from John's Trading Shack on eBay, and this is item 3726. It's a Jemmy skeleton phone. This guy's pretty creepy. Check this out.
Don't you dare hang up. Come with me to the grave. I'm coming for you. Look behind you. I know who you are.
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
Yeah, that's just creepy.
Don't you dare hang up.
Anyways, it's not a real telephone, but it's pretty cool. Halloween stuff, you know. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.